everyone, welcome. My name is Stacy. I'm glad to have you here with me today. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different than usual. I'm going to be putting together a few Easter baskets for a local restaurant in my area. They're having a raffle, and so they wanted 2 Easter baskets made up, and I'm going to be doing those. I'm going to definitely start on the one today. I'm not sure if we're going to get to the second one. We'll see how it goes, but I thought I'd bring you along for that. And I'm going to be just doing some things around the house today and taking my time, not stressing out, just a leisurely day, and bringing you along with me. So I thank you for joining me today, and we're going to get started.
Because I had some things to do around the house today, I decided to make my coffee and relax a little bit before I start. And I bought this really cute mug from actually a drugstore in my area, and I love the daisy on it, and that's what drew me to this. So I wanted to make my coffee in that today. I can't function without my coffee in the morning. I don't know who can relate. And the next thing I'm going to do is I had to put in a load of laundry, so I'm going to do that first before I go get started with the basket. So you'll see me doing that. It seems to me laundry is one of those jobs that's a never-ending battle, in my house at least. I'm always doing laundry, and as soon as I empty my basket, I have another load shortly after that one to do. And with kids in the house, it just seems like you can never keep up on the laundry. Because I'm in the bathroom already, I've been wanting to switch out some of my soaps and put them in this new dish that I have. I used this in my spring video, and I wanted to bring it into my bathroom and fill it up with some pretty soaps. Started to head to the kitchen. I'm going to take down my display for Easter on my island because I want to do my Easter basket decorating that I had planned. So I'm just going to take this down really quickly. I'm just going to give it a quick wipe first with my Daisy Mrs. Meyer's cleaner. So these are the baskets I'm working with. I decided to do yellow and purple, and I'm just going to put my filler in. I decided to put some multiple colors in. So if you see me using quite a lot of different colors, I just wanted to do a bunch of different colors, make it as colorful as I can. And these are the things I'm using this year in these baskets. Some of it's from Walmart, some from the dollar store, but we decided to pick up a bunch of things to fill these baskets. So I'm hoping there's enough to do 2 baskets. I'm starting at the back with the heavier items and the taller items. I haven't done baskets like this really before, other than my own kids' baskets, but like for giving away or anything like that, no, I have never done that. So this is my first time actually taking an attempt at doing this. But we ended up choosing some really cute items, I think, and oh my gosh, they look so delicious. It was so hard not to try to eat any of these items. If you see the eggs, they have jelly beans in them, and I decided to add a few here and there to add some extra color to the baskets. And I thought, if somebody wins the basket that has grandchildren or children, it'd be nice for them to have the extra jelly beans. So now I'm doing basket number 2, and basket number 2 has some similar items, but I did get just a few different things, so they don't match exactly, but that's kind of the point. I wanted them to be a little bit different. You guys have to let me know what's your favorite chocolate. I definitely love Lindor chocolate. That's one of my favorite ones, and I actually really do like Kinder chocolate too. I find it very creamy and smooth. I don't know if you guys like that or not, but I really love it. And I found this really cute decorative bunny at Walmart. And I'm just going to stick that here in the front of the basket just to give it a little something. I don't know, I thought it would look really cute, and then somebody can use it for their decorations for next year. I was really actually very honored to make these baskets for the restaurant, and I don't know who's going to win these, but I think whoever wins these are going to be very happy with them, I think. I'm just searching around now just to try to find a spot to put the eggs. All in all, I think they turned out pretty cute. I added some daisies too onto the baskets. If you see those, I added those on just to give that extra little touch of spring. This is just me adding in on the daisies. I just put like 3 on each basket just to give it, like I said, a little touch of spring, just to brighten up a little bit. I love the daisy flowers, so when I get a chance to add them to anything, I always take that opportunity. I think they look so sweet. By far, they're my favorite flower. And you're going to see me here. I've added the cellophane wrap, and I'm just adding on bows. And I just make my bows very simply. I don't really fuss around with them much, and I just use some floral wire to tie them, and that's about it. And then I just glued this one onto the other one. And this is just a folding technique that I use for the bows. But I mean, it's a crinkly look. Not everybody might not like that look, but I do. And the other basket, I did more of a curled look for the ribbon. I had some tulips from my local grocery store, and I wanted to just add a touch of color to the house. I want to add these into the living room. So I'm going to just arrange them now. I ended up buying a really pretty bright yellow and pink and some orange. And I'm just going to mix the colors together. This year is my first time buying fresh tulips for the house, and I was really happy to buy those. And I saw them, they were so pretty, I couldn't resist getting them this year. And I decided today to put some cookies out for the kids. And I had these Easter plates that I bought from the dollar store and some matching napkins. And I bought some cookies, and I'm just going to put them here on a plate and let the kids enjoy while the season is here for spring and the Easter cookies. I'm just going to put them out, and everybody can just kind of nibble at them through the day. We're getting towards the end of the video, guys. I just want to say thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed watching me put the gift baskets together. And I'm going to say toodaloo and see you next time.